Your orchid bloomed once and went silent. Here's exactly why and how to fix it. Hi everyone, welcome to JouleShare Garden Tips Orchid Rescue Secret Series Part 4. Today I will tell you the possible reasons why your orchid is not blooming again and provide you with practical tips and advice on how to encourage it to flower. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced orchid grower, this video is for you. So be sure to watch until the end to learn how to coax your orchid back into bloom. Mistake number 1, not enough light. Orchids need bright, indirect light right next to a window, but never in direct sun. Too little light and the plant stays in survival mode. That means no energy left for blooms. Mistake number 2, your home is too warm at night. Orchids needs a 10 to 15 degree Fahrenheit temperature drop in the evening to trigger a new spike. Move it near a slightly cooler window in autumn. That chill is the signal it needs for a new spike. Mistake number 3, wrong fertilizer. High nitrogen feeds the leaves, not the flowers. Switch to a bloom boosters that is high in phosphorus every 2 weeks. That's what tells your orchid it's time to bloom. Fix these 3 things and your orchid will rebloom. Orchid Rescue Secrets: save your plant before it's too late. Follow for more simple orchid care tips every week. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and God bless.